जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter Atmasamyamayogamu 38th sloka. Arjuna is asking a question to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "O Krishna, we started our yoga abhyasam to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. In that process, we would not crave for any results, fruits of our actions. That means we will be performing karma yogam. But in that process, at some point, because we have no control upon our mind, we will be starting craving for fruits of our actions. The moment we crave, we seek fruits of our actions, we will be ineligible for Atma Sakshatkaram. We will be disqualified to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. And until then, whatever the actions that we have performed, we did not ask for the results. And because of that, we don't get results. We don't get fruits for all those actions that we have done so far. That means we would not attain heavenly pleasures or any other pleasures. And we would not attain Atma Sakshatkaram also. In both ways, we will be losing both results. Neither we get heavenly pleasures, nor we attain Atma Sakshatkaram. It is like if a small part of cloud leaving a big cloud and about to reach and join other cloud. Halfway, when a big wind comes and hits that small part of cloud and completely destroys, that is what the state that we will be ended up. Is that right, Krishna? Like this, Arjuna asking Sri Krishna Paramatma. Being in the shoes of Arjuna, let us repeat Arjuna's words as it is. Kachinno bhaya vibhrashtaha chinnabhram ivanasyati apratishto mahabaho vimudho brahmanah pathi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava sharing all his Sri Krishna's memories with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sri Krishna Paramatma, he is the controller of the entire universe. He is very independent. Even then, he pretended like an ordinary being. Priyam Prabhuhu Gramya Iva Priyaya. He listened to his wife's words, and to make his wife happy, Krishna Paramatma Parijatam ilakun lila gatin teche. He brought Parijatam from heaven to earth. O Vidura, while he is bringing Parijatam to the earth, Devendra along with all the Devatas tried to stop Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Krishna Paramatma fought with all the Devatas and Devendra. O Vidura, Sri Krishna is the master, the Nada, the Pati, the husband of this entire universe. Such Vishwapati Paramatma pretended like a Pati to a woman, and then the one who is the supreme controller of entire universe, such Paramatma pretended like he is controlled by that woman. That is what Krishna Paramatma's miraculous activity. O Vidura, not only that, Sutam Rudhekham Vapushagrasantam Drishtva Sunabha Unmadhitam. That Paramatma in the battlefield with his Chakrayudham, he killed Narakasura, who is the son of Bhudevi. After Narakasura is killed, Bhudevi started crying. Then, in order to pacify Bhudevi, Krishna Paramatma gave that kingdom to Narakasura's son. And then Krishna Paramatma entered into Narakasura's Antahpuram. There are so many girls who were taken into the custody of Narakasura. When all those girls have seen Sri Krishna Paramatma, Drishtva Harim, the moment when they saw Krishna Paramatma, Artha Bandhavudaina, Padmakshuchuchi, Harsha Bashpambudhara Pravarsha Modavan, with all of their outpouring affection and love, they all felt that, they all prayed that Krishna Paramatma should be their husband. When they wished that, Krishna Paramatma accepted all of them as his wives. Like this, Uddhava sharing Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine miraculous activities with Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Shri Madhurashtakam. Karanam madhuram taranam madhuram haranam madhuram ramanam madhuram vamitam madhuram semitam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 38th sloka. Kachinno bhaya vibhrashtaha chinnabhram iva nasyati apratishto mahabaho vimodho ब्रह्मणः पथि. कच्चिन्नो भयविभ्रष्टः छिन्नाभ्रमिव नश्यति अप्रतिष्ठो महाबाहो विमूढो ब्रह्मणः पथि. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.